Working on the Chevy today. Gotta put a starter in it. Halfway done. Check out my channel for the full video. I'll put a clip right here of what it sounded like to give me the signs. Thanks for watching. So we're in the truck. I'm just gonna try and start it and you'll see. You just hear the, not sure if you can hear it from out here. Plenty of power. It just ain't bumping the starter. It's like the solenoid went bad or something. But on these starters, you can't just replace the solenoid. You gotta replace the whole thing starter. Got that brand new starter. Getting ready to put it in.